Okay, again, we talked in the previous video how attacker could submit form from different URL and they behave as us. So now the idea how we could prevent this type of attack. The prevent of this attack is standard. All what we need to do whenever anyone requests any page, we generate random ID for that page or random token. For example, is this. So if I just go to my code, my login page now is changed, so I just save as. I will name it login CSRF. So because this is my login CSRF, make sure the login CSRF be here because I need 2 people to log in. And now my activity will not be the normal activity, will be instead of activity will be activity CSRF. So I say save as my activity CSRF, okay, and I click submit. So looking to this guy, I just make sure update this form correctly, remove everything else I don't need. So and make sure this guy when I log in, this one is CSRF, going to that page. Just make sure everything is fine. What I need to do, just local, okay, local. I need to go here, go to login.csrf.php. This is my login. I should do admin. Just make sure I did correctly transfer. Yeah, I'm still on the login. My activity CSRF. I'm good. Now I want only every page is served for every person that have specific random value. I will tell you how. What I need to do, I just go here. I say, okay, this is my activity. I need to generate random value for this. Okay, it's not hard. I just go here. I just do PHP code. I want to generate random token. I say, okay, this is token. Okay, token. And this token will be, I say MD5. This MD5 algorithm require unique ID. Unique ID like everyone, every time I generate unique ID be as random in this way, was true. This is very simple function. It generate random unique value, and I do what I do. I just do MD5 for that random value. If I just echo this value, and I see what's going on. So, well, it's not will not show correctly. I will copy it and put it after the form so I would see it in the page. So now if I just go to my local, I just click enter, I will see this random value generated. I click again, see again different random value, again different value. My idea is everyone, when he requests a page, what I will do, I will generate random value. I will generate random value for that page, and I make sure any form submission coming from that page it have that random value. Okay, again, what I will do, any request for any page, I generate random value for that page. Then any submission coming back from that page, I make sure that page have that value. Otherwise, I will ignore that request and assume this one is not coming from same request, coming from different request. Like, what I will do is this. I say, okay, this is not big deal. Instead using token, I will define a session, save my variable as in session, okay, and I name this session as a token. And now after I save it in the token, my session, I save my session in the token. Make sure I have a start session in the header. So I hope I have a start session in the header. So yeah, I have a start session in the header, so otherwise I don't need to have a problem. So now I have a token. Then what I will do after I get that token, and I make sure to add as a input field here, hidden field. So if you see here I have a hidden field, I would just same this hidden field. I define another hidden field, input. This way, the type for this input will be hidden. And the name will be CSRF, and the value will be whatever I have in this token, this guy, whatever I have here. Okay, I'll tell you what. Now what I did, I just generate random value and I add this random value in the form. Okay, I make sure just print it for debugging. So whenever if I just now reload the page, whenever the pages get reloaded, if I do inspect, I see there is field in the form here. If you see here, to have that random value, CSRF. If I just reload the page again that form have different value. Now I want to make sure this value, when someone clicks submit, I have it exactly same value that I have in the page. So what I will do is this. I'll go back. Here, before I do, I make sure I say, hey, if there is a post request, if you see here, there is a where this is the way of we do post, is that right? I say, okay, if it post, if the process is post, I mean there is a post, so I could do it in this way. If it is post, I think this one will work. Then I will check. I say, hey, if the value that I have it in this field, CSRF, so I say if the post for this value in the field is similar to what I have in the token session, that's mean, hey, I'm good to go. Okay, echo, it's good. We're good. We don't have any problem. We're good. Otherwise, that's mean if it's not equal, just return and echo something like echo not valid request. That's mean I need to make sure any request, any post coming, the post value for CSRF token is, if it's not same my token, just go back. If it's not post request, that's fine. If it's get request, someone getting, I will create token and put it in this machine. I just want to make sure if it is there's a post request. I could do it in this way. If it post, I just make sure there's a, well, I think I'm good. So now I create submit form. So now if I want to send money for Jenna with $2, okay, and I click send, the server will not have any problem. We just process it normally because the server checks, say, okay, the value that in the form is exactly what I generate in that session, so we are good to go. Now you may think, you say, okay, how I could do this? Now if someone just attack this page, okay, view page source, well, this is not forum submission, make sure just click on it again, not forum, view page source. And now when we go here and someone try to copy this form and do same what we did before, I'll just copy the content of the form because we have the form already. So now think about this guy. He took this form content and he want to apply the attack again. Now he cannot guess what the ID that I have. This ID for his page, not for my page, because I'm doing same attack and not attack. This is for his page. So if I assume I'm Jenna, okay, so if I am Jenna, I will assume I will refresh the page, or if I'm admin or someone, I'm just refreshing the page. So now that ID is went. Okay, I'm just refreshing different page. If I just refresh the page, that ID is gone. That ID is no longer there. So now I'm assuming he tried to attack someone, valid user. Now you want to send money, he will not able to, because if I just try to send to admin, for example, $1, if I click send, I should not be able to. Hopefully I should not be able to. Now if I just go here, oh yeah, well, I will able because this page I did not upload it in the server. I just make sure I put it in the server. So I go here and make sure go to my CSRF token, this guy, this one with the name of CSRF. Just I need to update the URL, and I need to go now, and in my code this one should be CSRF, and the page now I'm loading in the server should be the one has CSRF. CSRF, because previously he was, because that was page already attacked. So now I have this page. Now if I just go refresh the page, where is it? Yep, this is not local. I want to go to my local page. So now if I just want to send money to admin with the $22, click send. What I get? Oh, I don't know why I'm getting that page again and again. Which page I'm submitting to? A view page source? I don't know why he sent the code for the same form. Why he sent it to this one? He should send it to my activity CSRF. Well, I didn't click save. I should click save to do it. So now I could do it again. I would suppose this time it will work. I'm sending to admin $23. I click send. It should reject it. He say, hey, unexpected, not valid request. You did not send me a valid request. I reject your request. So the idea behind CSRF token, if someone want to attack your form, make sure, it's not want to attack your form. This is standard code. So make sure you follow this standard in your code. Make sure in every page, every form submit, you add this line and have a token. And whenever anyone refresh the page, that token will regenerate it again with different values, so no one could do CSRF token. Now, for sure, if you want to try the test on just your Chrome, you will be able to do that attack because you do it in yourself. But try to do it from two different machines, two different accounts. You will never able to do it. You will not. Why? Because the ID is changed. Every call for the page, the ID will be changed. Whenever anyone call the page, ID get changed. So that's my idea. Hopefully it was clear for you. Thank you for watching and see you next.